The Armenian Genocide was the first big genocide in which over 1 million people, over half the Armenian race, were murdered or killed. And so it's been very important to have that recognition in order to develop genocide studies, which now, of course, embrace Rwanda and embrace Bangladesh in 1971, Indonesia in 1965, the wiping out of the Mayan people in Guatemala, the behavior of ISIS towards Christian communities. So it is part of Turkey's genocide denial, and other genocide denialists want to limit genocide to the Holocaust. And they say, if there are no gas chambers, there was no genocide. Once you once you can identify a racial or religious motive, then you've got genocide. Genocide is a legal concept. There's a convention, universally binding on all countries, called the Genocide Convention, which was drafted by an amazing man called Raphael Lemkin, who was inspired to do it by what he learnt about the Armenian genocide. It's a matter for lawyers, judges, whether a genocide happened. It's the historian's role to say what happened, not to give a legal characterization to it. And the facts that they establish, including facts established by genocide-denying historians, actually prove that the legal definition of genocide is appropriate to what happened in 1915. I think that the living memory, the trauma is there, and the courts are available. I mean, Turkey was held liable for expropriation of property in northern Cyprus 50 years ago. It can be held liable for expropriation of property if the property can be identified. Well, I think human rights are everyone's business. We are all Armenians in the sense that we should all commemorate the genocide because it's an international crime that's never been requited. And we should demand that Turkey does honour the rights of human beings by providing some reparation. I've suggested it should be the symbolic handing over of Mount Ararat, which is the magic mystical mountain overlooking Yerevan. If Turkey wants to enter the European Union, and it does, that is the condition of its entry.